Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching another video on the Gravely Striper Kit. Let's go take a look.
All right, DIYers, outside now, and in front of us is our Gravely Pro Turn ZX60 zero-turn lawnmower, and it is week 3. In week 1, we did straight lines. In week 2, we went diagonal, and week 3, we're going back to straight lines. We're waiting for the Gravely girl to arrive, and calm winds this afternoon.